Hey guys, what's going on? This is a new video from Living with Perks about a Outon industrial floor lamp. I picked up this lamp the other day and I figured it would be good for any room in my house. We do like the industrial look. It's all metallic, has 3 bulbs on it and whatnot. It just seemed to fit the look of our home, more or less. We did buy a lamp from these guys before. This is Outon, and the lamp we got before, I'll have that featured in the description below, so if you do want to check that out. I'm going to be unboxing this new one, doing a quick build and review of it. So we'll see if it holds up like the other one did, and yeah, we'll go from there. Alright, the cat is already checking it out, but this is what it came in. Nice Outon box with the description and image on the front, instructions, and all the materials inside. So let's put it together and get it going. Now, the one thing I do want to mention about the instructions this comes with is they're very easy to follow. It just has all the steps listed on the image diagram. So everything just screws together and it goes onto the base, which is, you know, something that's very sturdy, durable, and weighs a ton. Keeps it right in a nice spot. So here is the lamp all put together. This thing sits about 6 feet tall. I'll have the actual dimensions in the description. But yeah, nice modern look. It does come with the Edison bulbs, which is a nice touch. Looks great in a cellar or a Beetlejuice 2 screening room. All your heart's desires will be taken care of with this one. Now I'm going to turn it on for the first time and see how it works. It is daytime out, so I do have the sun coming in from the window here. But let me put you down and we'll get this thing demonstrated. So again, I do apologize for the glare in the background because we are in a daytime setting. I got all the lights off in the bedroom here in my office. The cord is about 6 feet, comes with the Edison bulbs, nice gothic modern look to it, and sits about 6 feet. It does have a dimmable switch on it, so let's turn it on and take a look. And they only get brighter as you turn that knob, folks. That thing is nearly blinding me with how bright this thing can get. It illuminates the entire room. I'm surprised with how well this thing projects light out of it. I believe you can use different bulbs in here, but like I said, it does come with the Edison style bulbs. They just look great, makes it look all authentic to the era of the piece. All metallic, very heavy duty stand it's sitting on. And yeah, it's very sturdy. I'm gonna dim this down a little bit. Overall, it looks great. Everything can be adjusted on this, so if you don't like where the bulbs are sitting, you can adjust these arms as need be. But obviously, you know, to each their own. Some people will like them spaced out. Some people will like them, you know, kind of in a row, so you can bring it closer to the wall. That looks great as well. So yeah, this is my review of the Outon industrial dimmable lamp. I would highly recommend picking one of these up. Like I said, it looks great in any home, office, bedroom, living room, wherever. Has a nice dimmable feature on it, and I'm gonna start using this thing in the office. It just kind of looks great with all the decor I have going on. I am a horror guy, so yeah, I like the look of it and style. It just is gonna suit the room really well. So if you guys want to pick this up, it's going to be listed in the description on this video. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe to Living with Perks, and we'll catch you next time. Peace.